GiggleBee Songs, so fun, so bright. Only fun every time feels right. Let's sing tonight, GiggleBee! Come on, kids, sing with me. Let's learn our ABCs. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball that bounces ahead. C is for cat who purrs all day. D is for dog who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog who hops along. G is for giraffe, standing tall. H is for hat you wear in fall. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is easy, you'll see. Clap your hands and follow along. Let's keep singing our ABC song. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jelly that wiggles just so. K is for kite that flies up high. L is for lion who roars at the sky. M is for monkey who loves to swing. N is for nest where baby birds sing. O is for octopus with arms all around. P is for penguin waddling on the ground. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is easy, you'll see. Clap your hands and follow along. Let's keep singing our ABC song. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow up and down. S is for sun that shines so bright. T is for turtle walking slow and light. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin that sweetly plays. W is for whale swimming in the sea. X is for sodaphone, tinkle happily. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. A, B, C, we did it today. We learned our letters the fun toddler way. Clap your hands and shout hooray. ABC friends, hip hip hooray. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters is easy, you'll see. Clap your hands and follow along. Let's keep singing our ABC song. Great job, friends! You sang the ABCs with me.